Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Savage Traveling, and I'm here in Tampa at the International Plaza, getting ready to get my Y-strap decompression treatment here at Dr. Joe Cipriano's Revive Clinic here in the mall. As you see, they offer IV, vitamin therapy, hormone replacement therapy, Y-strap chiropractic, stem cell therapy. You know, that's just what you see here. I'm gonna go in and do this now, and mine won't be filmed. It's not by Dr. Joe, it's by a certified chiropractor that just knows what he's doing also. So, you know, don't get your hopes up, but I am able to film. I went in and asked first, so here we go. Yeah, I'm ready when you are.
All right, ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. You can come on this way.
Okay.
Have a seat wherever you're comfortable.
I'm gonna set this right here. No, man, it can just set here. Yeah, no, you're fine.
Angle lens, however you want.
It's so wide, like it's everything.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing.
All right, perfect. Have a seat, make yourself comfortable. Yeah, go into your pockets, take your glasses off, probably is a good idea.
See, you have to put these back on. For now, anyway.
Yeah, for now, obviously, you can see. Good deal. So what we're going to have you do, we're going to have you stand up.
Yeah.
And we're going to run through some range of motion. So I'm going to have you tuck your chin to your chest and back up. Any pain with that? Still breathing back. Any pain with that? Okay, we'll have you look over your shoulders, to the right, to the left. Any pain with those? Kind of touching ear to shoulder, to the other side, any pain with that?
Feels like it.
Yeah, okay. We'll have you bend forward at the waist. Any pain with that? Okay, some good motion there. We'll have you lean backwards. How's that feel? Good? Alright, same thing, rotation. How's that for you? Good. And then kind of slide a hand down each leg.
A little tight back here.
A little tight, okay.
Lower.
Alright, it'll go away.
More so if I'm hungry.
If you're hungry? Yeah. Yeah, no, sometimes my eyes like start to twitch and I get a little pop and then it goes away. Alright, sounds good. We'll have you lie face down for me here. Yeah, I can set your glasses up to the side.
Right.
Brush them. And then this right here, if you can put your hands in there, you're welcome to lower your mask while you're face down if you'd like. You know, it's hard to breathe sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll do a quick palpation. Let me know if any of this is tender, tender. How'd you hear about us? YouTube?
Yeah.
Large? What about my dad? Large and medium?
Large. You see, just come up. Gotcha.
Are they like that size or you they're still really good. Like every flat. They look like what
That's it.
just like that.
Feel warm now. What do we say, medium and large? Is that good?
Alright, so we'll get started here.
Nice and nice.
Massage gun.
Break away.
Right.
Huh? It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Pleasure.
Good to see you again.
Yeah.
Doing well. Great. You guys have your evening.
Good to meet you. This is a brain one, I think. You should feel what?
Yeah, they must be tight.
No, I'm coaching today a little bit.
I can tell muscle kind of.
See you guys later. See you later on.
Guys, thank you so much for coming.
Alright, I'm finding large. You find medium here real quick. We got quite a few shirts. We got t-shirts now. Oh yeah, we're fancy.
Just kind of triggering the muscle. Okay. As long as you're not painful.
No, I think not.
All right.
sometimes just tickles.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
That's kind of what it
What?
does. The quick
I
movement
tell the
kind of
doctor, I think
stimulates
that's a little bit black.
sometimes a little more slow. You make it do a little
You
better.
match the floors and everything, I think you should wear something right, so people go by, they see it,
Either way, we're getting
you
some good
know?
blood flow to it.
It's just my, especially a doctor, and over there, no one can even, you can't tell anything, everything's all black.
That's a good point. I'll, next time you come in, lobby it for me. I think you should have blue and black. But that's
I think you're bright. You're a specialist, man.
oh, she tries to lie.
The mean,
I mean,
the
what are
mean
we
eyes,
like?
the mean nose.
What mean eyes?
Like this, I saw that, look at it, I can see it, she does it again. You can see it. I think it's out of here, right here.
Good seeing y'all.
Please come again soon.
All right, man, we'll miss you. Take care of yourself, huh?
Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, good luck with everything, you take care. What? Here you go, baby.
Let me know if you guys want to come back, okay? Walk in or appointment, whatever.
Be back here.
So he's registered, so he's Florida right now.
Give me a second.
The board stuff, so he's making it wrong. Yeah. All right.
See you later.
Bye guys, thank you.
I'm okay, sir. I'll stop.
I'll stop this. You get up.
Some high quality paper clips. I'll stop. I can get around my system. Nuts. I'm around with this whole thing. I'm a baby and really I didn't have it. Food purposes is wild.
We should probably plug that speaker in.
Alright, I'm gonna
Yeah, I like
have
the
this
way-
right leg off the table. Any pain with that? No. Relax. This left leg up. Any pain with that?
What's up? No, I was looking at something. I was just in there now, pacing like a child. I'm making a motion.
Alright for this?
Should've just gone and texted it. Same price. Oh, wow. What did you?
Alright, I'm gonna have you sit up. We're gonna have you place one leg on either side of the table. Give yourself a nice big hug. You deserve it. Yeah, that's fine either way. As long as you're comfortable. That's fine.
Wow.
Good. Alright, we're gonna have you flip over, so we're gonna have you lay face up this time, okay? Maybe give yourself one more hug. Good, one more, forward. Push in, and out. Alright, relax your arms. Good, relax your legs there. We'll get you set up for the Y strap.
Yeah, those are all better than I can do. All my best day. You know?
Well, I practice.
No, that's all I can do this, sure.
Comfortable in there? Take some nice deep breaths in and out. And in and out. How's that?
That was crunchy up top. I don't know how far.
Well, we'll see how you feel. We might do it one more time.
Great.
You good?
Yeah, I think so. Toast to work.
Yeah, right, definitely. Alright, we'll do some little massage again. We'll have you move around a little bit, see how you feel. I might do that again so you can get a little bit lower. Okay?
Yeah, because I a lot right up here.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And I almost feel pressure back here.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, it tends to kind of.
No,
go
this
where you
feels
need
better.
most.
No, I believe you. This feels really good. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Like a compliment to what just happened.
Yeah. No, it tends to go where you need it most. You know.
Okay.
You can tell you got a lot of tightness there, a lot of tightness in these traps. But we have get some down here, right around here too. So I want to see if maybe we can get another lower. Yeah, right in that spot.
Yeah.
Alright. Move around a little bit though. How you feel?
I feel pretty good.
Good. How's the neck feel? Any pinching and pulling up there? No? Yeah, see yeah, watch out for those.
Man, that's multiple times a day.
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
it's stiff and I'm like,
Alright, we'll have you swing your legs around one more time. And there. Yep. Knees a little kind of over there. So yeah. Okay. And then we'll have you lay down again. We'll give that one more toe, okay?
I know it's a little tight, but
Yeah. Alright. And we're pulling your hair through.
I like to move that movement. That's trouble breathing through the last one.
Yeah, you take some deep breaths afterwards. That's in, out, and in. Deep breath. How was that?
That's
Any different?
all up here still.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Yes, that's what's going.
No, that's all right. No, nothing wrong with that. All right, now we'll take a look at the neck here. You can relax.
Oh, David,
What's up?
that is so nice of you. I think I wiped them off, but.
Yeah, they're all like,
Oh, well,
Okay.
very white.
you know we have to make sure.
Trash.
Oh,
You got a lot of mobility in that neck.
oh. You guys got the most bougie trash bag I've ever seen in my life.
No, I just want you to dump it.
Well, I can
lift you up. See how you feel. Alright, you can go ahead, stand up,
I wouldn't
move around.
I feel longer for sure.
Yeah, I'm jealous.
Maybe a little more even.
Okay.
So I feel like crooked. Like,
Yeah.
like, I don't know if it's like this, but some days I'm like walking funny.
Yeah,
Like at an ankle.
hips and stuff, they weren't too far off, but
Is your office clean?
they were definitely even when we were done. So that's very well.
Okay, good. No,
And your shirt.
Yeah.
yeah.
How does that side to side feel? Okay. Definitely got more.
It still hurts.
Yeah.
It's not as tight. No.
Sure. All right.
Good. That's what we're
Yeah, no.
Yo,
doing. All right.
Well, I'll know when I sleep tonight.
Yeah.
And when I wake up in the morning, if there's
there's
like
a water bottle.
you know,
Right to next
you see it.
Your glasses?
Oh, awesome. Yeah, I couldn't even see.
Yeah. Sorry.
You know, you're
I was-
That's my fault.
That's
Yeah,
why I was
that's
using
great.
my
Alright, well, make sure you drink plenty of water.
I tried.
It's possible you could be a little sore, so you know.
I slept in a van for like 3 days
Okay.
before last night. So that's definitely.
So you know it. Alright,
Yeah,
well,
yeah,
if you need any ice or anything, make sure you use that. And aside from that,
Yeah.
I'd like to see you every maybe 3 months or so. Just to
Dude, if I could get back down here, I'll definitely stop in.
Yeah.
It's, the twists that you did and
Yeah.
the pushes, those were deep.
Yeah.
I needed those big
Yeah,
time.
it's okay.
Yeah.
And then every pull,
Yeah.
it was all right here. Like,
Yeah.
The first time it was like fireworks, or I don't know what you were gonna say, with the pops and it was like,
Yeah.
and then the second one was more
Yeah. Around there.
direct, like in the spots that it did pop. And
Okay.
good.
Checking my
It's
work.
like this thing will like, this thing's been injured. And it got
Yeah.
all cranked back one time real far and it's weird.
Yeah.
So-
That's sometimes the best way you can describe it.
All right, man.
All right, you're good to go.
Yes, thank you very much.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
nothing more I need to do here?
No, I think
Okay.
you're good to go.
All right. Good luck, guys.
All right.
I hopefully I'll be back.
Hey, buddy, what size shirt are you?
XL.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. I'll take one. Oh,
Follow our Instagram page.
I did. I think I'm pretty sure I got it right
I
here.
know we just opened it. I'm like, no one's following it.
Yeah, no. Well, that's why hopefully maybe this video will help, things like that, and it'll help me and maybe help you guys too.
Make sure you tag us.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, yeah, you can do that in that. You can do that now. Okay, yeah. I haven't put up a video.
My Strap Doc is all of us too.
Okay, yeah, right.
So, that way, we can all see it, our whole community.
No, for sure.
Check you out.
Yeah, definitely, man.
You go,
All right, thank you very much, guys.
You are welcome.
Yeah, dude, I feel good, man. Okay. Yeah, you guys too. I will, thank you. Okay, guys, you've seen that for yourself. Basically, I feel a lot good. I feel much better. I definitely feel taller and less tension. That tension, there's a lot of tension not in my back right now. In my neck. So that was $100. I think it was a little less than 20 minutes. Would I do it again? Probably. I don't know if $100 price tag is it, but that's the going rate these days, I guess. So you take it or leave it. Like I said, I would definitely do that again. I feel really good. Now I don't know if you could hear all our conversations there, but I was having some issues with my vision earlier driving, and I think it's from the ultra bright light of Florida that I'm not used to, and there's like the blue light. I don't know if you know about that stuff. Now I gotta find out where I came in at this place at. But anyways, guys, that was me at the Revive Clinic. Check that out. The Y-strap doc, chiropractic adjustments, IV therapy, hormone replacement therapy, stem cell therapy. There's a little QR code. So anyway, guys, thanks for coming along with me. That was very interesting, and like I said, I feel good. If you watch the videos, you know if you need it or not, you know what I mean? But that's a good, I definitely give them guys a good review. That was quick and to the point. So check out the Revive Clinic here in International Mall out here by the Tampa airport, guys. Lots of things to do in here besides that. So come on out and give them a visit. Peace.